Frustrated by Klaviyo's setup wizard forcing text messaging? Create your abandoned cart email flow in just a few clicks. Follow along as we click through each step, skip the text messaging prompts, and get your abandoned cart flow active. Start by clicking on Flows. Then open the Abandoned Checkout Reminder flow. You'll see a prompt to set up text messaging. Click that to continue. Now, click into the country selector. Pick Australia from the list. Click Next to move on. Then click Next once more. And finish this part by clicking Done. Next, click Go to Text Message Settings. But for now, just go back. Go ahead and click the drop-down. Then choose Skip for Now. Skip for now again. Once more, Skip for now. And skip for now. Just skip again. Skip for now. Now, click Skip. And skip for now once more. Skip for now. One last skip for now. And finally, click Create Campaign. You're all set to build it out. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.